What if I told you that you could consistently make profitable trades and become a trading legend? Sounds too good to be true? Well, I've got the proof. Today, we're diving into an eye-opening backtesting session that will show you how these indicators perform in real-life market conditions. Trust me, the results are going to blow your mind. So stick around as we unveil the secrets of these game-changing tools together. All right, let's get started on TradingView. Pick any chart you like. One of the best parts about this strategy is that it works its magic on any chart and time frame. So feel free to explore and choose whatever chart catches your eye. Now, you'll want to get your hands on some awesome indicators we're going to discuss. Head over to the Indicators tab where you'll find a search bar waiting for you. Just type in Breakout Finder and you're all set. Now that you've got the Breakout Finder on your chart, it's time to fine-tune those settings. While the Breakout Finder is fantastic, let's be real, no indicator is perfect. You might get a few false signals here and there, but don't worry. I've got your back with another tool that'll help confirm those signals and keep your trades on point. Now let's bring in the trusty sidekick I mentioned, the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator. But we're not done just yet. To really make this strategy shine, we need to fine-tune those settings. Now comes the most exciting part of the video, the secret sauce. I'm thrilled to share the exact trading rules that will have you mastering these indicators. Let's uncover the art of spotting buy, trade, entry signals and riding the market trend like a pro. First, keep an eye out for a bullish breakout signal which shows up as a triangle below a candlestick on your chart. That's your cue to get ready for action. Next, make sure we're trading with a trend by checking if the close price of the signal candle is above the 3 moving averages. This confirms that the bulls are in control, just what we want for a buy trade. If both conditions are met, it's time to seize the opportunity and open a buy position. But there are some more details about more accurate entry rules in the description. Now let's talk risk management, a crucial part of smart trading. Here's how to set a stop loss for your buy trade. Use the most recent swing low of the market as your safety net, or simply chose the 50 EMA in the middle, placing your stop loss just below it. This will help protect your trade from unexpected market swings. Finally, lock in those potential profits by setting a trade target 1.5 times greater than the distance between your entry and stop loss levels. But if you are to push your profit factor to the limit, make sure to watch the whole tutorial because I've got a real gem for you. All right, now let's flip the script and dive into the sell trade rules. First, look for a bearish breakout signal, which appears as a triangle above a candlestick on your chart. This is your green light for a potential sell trade. Next, we want to make sure we're trading in a downtrend. To do this, check that the closing price of the signal candle is below all 3 moving averages. This confirms that the bears are in control, exactly what we need for a sell trade. If both conditions are met, it's time to pull the trigger and open a sell position. Risk management is just as important for sell trades as it is for buy trades. Set your stop loss using the most recent swing high as your safety net or simply above the 50 EMA in the middle. And of course, secure those potential profits by setting a trade target 1.5 times greater than the distance between your entry and stop loss levels. Now, it's time to go through some back and forward testing this strategy in real time. But before we jump into that, let me tell you a bit about Income Nomad, my channel dedicated to your trading success. Here, it's all about sharing profitable, easy to use, and totally free trading strategies that will have you conquering the market in no time. My goal is to be your go-to trading resource, helping you unlock your full potential in this exciting world of trading. If you enjoy the vibe and want to see more game-changing tips, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to me and keeps me pumped to create more awesome content for you. Now, let's check out the results we got from trying this strategy on the Solana chart using a 15-minute time frame. I kept the risk-reward ratio at 1.5 to 1, and here's what happened. We won 83 out of every 100 trades. It's pretty awesome, right? By no means I want to say that it always performed like this, and the results will be the same due to spreads, fees, fundamentals, and most importantly, your mindset at the times you're initiating trades. Speaking of which, don't forget to check out the human factor video along with my custom take on fee levels and of course the risk management videos, all in the Trading University playlist. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts and experiences with this strategy or even ways to make it better, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.